Have you ever experienced this nightmare when editing the huge prototype in Figma? When the navigation for some reason changes and you have to connect and disconnect tens of arrows and at the same time not losing track of what is happening. And now I want to show you a simple hack how you can mitigate this pain and make things easier. Let's jump into this newly created file and I will show you. I will quickly create a few screens of the fake mobile app to serve as an example for us. Okay, so what I did here, I created 4 screens which are home, heart, circle and settings. Imagine that we have to create a prototype for all these screens. What we'll have to do is to connect all of these icons to their respective screens, and you have to accomplish this same procedure for every single screen. If you have 4 screens, that could be fine, right? But what if you have 8, 10? Then it becomes a nightmare. But here is the trick. Let's remove all these connections and I will show you. If we bring this nav bar or tab bar in the case of mobile app, bring it out of the app and we create a component out of this tab bar. You can do it by either pressing Command Option K, or it will be Ctrl Alt K for Windows users. You can also do it by going here at the top and pressing this create component thing. And guess what? You start creating prototype, start connecting screens with this component. So home icon leads to home screen, heart icon leads to heart screen, then the circle will jump to the circle screen, and the last one, the gear icon, will take us to settings screen. And now you just copy this component and replace every tab bar on every screen. You can do it by Command Shift R or Ctrl Shift R for Windows. So replace here, here and here. And guess what happens? We run this prototype and it works, right? And for example, we want to change one little thing. We want the home icon to take us to heart screen and the heart icon take us to home screen. Now every instance of this tab bar is changed across every screen. So we run the prototype and let's see. The home icon takes us to heart screen and the heart icon takes us to home screen. Even if you are on settings screen, they still work the same. Hit the like button if you like this Figma tip and see you in the next video.